Welcome to the LA Auto Show at the stand of Jaguar Land Rover. What we're going to find here today is a very luxury car, a very fuel efficient car, and on top of this we're going to see a world record as well.
The speciality here is that we are now offering the Range Rover Sport and the Range Rover as a plug-in hybrid. The plug-in hybrid combines the advantages of an electric engine with a normal combustion engine. So we have here a 300 horsepower petrol engine combined with a 116 horsepower electric engine, gives round about 400 horsepower of torque. And we have this at CO2 levels of 64 gram, which is really not much. So you have sustainable luxury in an off-road car, in a luxury car, and this is what makes it really special. And also they keep both the off-road capability Land Rover is known for. This is very key for us, that we still offer the full Range Rover capability in a plug-in hybrid. Yeah, it's a Range Rover SV autobiography long wheelbase. It comes from our special operations team, which is looking after individual luxury and performance cars. So the Range Rover, this Range Rover has really every luxury you can imagine. It is handcrafted, it got beautiful leather, beautiful stitching, beautiful wooden interior. So it's something very special. And it's the top of the range, obviously, in a long wheelbase version, which has single seats in the back, so you can really relax in that car and at the same time enjoy driving. It's an XE SV Project 8. It's based on the four-door limousine XE. And it's obviously got everything what you want from a performance car, and 600 horsepower. The record is 7 minutes 21.2, which is really absolutely fantastic on the Nordschleife. So this makes this car being the fastest four-door car in the world. And we did it in autumn conditions, so hopefully next year when we do it in spring we can still do a little bit more. But we got it. We achieved the world record for a four-door sedan, and it's a fantastic piece of technology. We're going to build 300 cars worldwide. We're getting only 5 in Germany, so some of it are already sold. It's a very special piece of technology. Well, we show here also the F-Type, the new four-cylinder petrol version, which is the new entry models in a fantastic sports car. So it got 300 horsepower and it costs 57,200 euros, which makes it a really very attractive package for such a sports car.
That was it from the Jaguar Land Rover stand here from the LA Auto Show, and I really have to say I'm very interested in how this new plug-in hybrid project will work and how it will drive, and I hope I will get the chance to drive it myself next year. But more interesting, I'm in if they will break their own world record in better weather next year again.